i-feature natin itong renovation and makeover nitong Rizal Park. So yan yung Rizal Park na nasa likuran, na kung saan dati yan ay dyan nakatayo yung relief map of the Philippines. Pero recently ay dinimolish na siya at naging ganito na siya as part nitong expansion and renovation nitong Rizal Park and also nitong National Museum Complex. So based kasi sa mga source is i-expand itong National Museum. Super busy talaga itong makasaysayang Taft Avenue, lalong lalo na ngayong hapon. So oras po natin is 6:14 na ng hapon. So talaga namang napakaganda ng ating dusk dito po sa Maynila. Ito yung dating kinatatayuan nitong relief map of the Philippines. So sooner dito itatayo yung pinakabagong National Museum, part nitong National Museum of the Philippines expansion. So yung building na yan mga katropa, yan yung National Museum of Fine Arts, na kung saan dati yan yung Old Congress building. So ito pong luneta ay dinisenyo ni Daniel Burnham, isa sa mga kilalang landscape architect dito po sa Pilipinas. So yung building na yan na may dome, yan yung National Museum of the Natural History. Yan ay dating gusali ng Department of Tourism. So yan yung headquarters nitong Department of Tourism. At ito naman yung National Museum of Anthropology, also known as National Museum of the Filipino People. So yan naman ay ang dating gusali ng Department of Finance. And syempre nakakalungkot at nawala na yung iconic at historical na relief map of the Philippines. Pero syempre as time goes by ay kailangan din ng remake nitong makasaysayang Luneta Park. So lalong lalo na sa gabi makikita nyo yung mga street lights na yan, talagang napakaganda, as in super duper. So yan naman mga katropa, may dumadaang LRT Line 1. So yung LRT Line 1, yan yung pinakamatandang LRT line sa Southeast Asia. So nagsimula ang operasyon niya noong 1984. Natunghayan nyo na yung ating update featuring itong renovation and expansion nitong Rizal Park at itong National Museum of the Philippines Complex. So nasa natin na sooner than later, talagang napakasarap nitong pasyalan na may pagmamalaki nating mga